Okay, I want to look at something really cool. It's called feature importances. So let's just do a new text header. Go ahead and feature importances. This is a method in, I forget the bold header, in scikit-learn. Okay, so the way you do it, not surprisingly, is final model dot feature importances. And then you see this. You can say, like, oh, what is that? Well, what this actually does, we can look some better code to clean it up. Reveal, you could say reveal most important columns in determining predictions. Yeah. So you can look at it like this, and you have to kind of like eyeball it and count it and see, well, what's the top? Well, this is the third column, and then you can go back to df and say, well, which one is the third column? It looks like the year, which is a little bit interesting since there's only 2 years. And then what's next? Maybe looks like the first few are actually the most important. And you can see that incident year, they may be correlated, and season is a little more interesting, I think. So, but this is very valuable because you could have like tons of columns, and like you could be working for a company and they want to say, yeah, but how do we know what to focus on for our business? Like user churn, like when do users leave, right? You know, what's the most important factor? And so here's a little way that you can actually clean it up. You can, first of all, you can do a dictionary, okay? And so we're going to call this feature dict, and then you can write dictionary, but then you're going to zip. Oh, no, we changed x and y. So I'm going to actually go back here. Actually, I should just be able to use df. Let's just use df. So df.columns. See, there might be a mismatch because of the number. That's the issue. Because the prediction column doesn't count. Let's just reassign x and y. So see how here it's a NumPy array, and that loses the columns, which is what we want for the prediction. But for this, we'll just do it. I'm going to do a resplit here. I'll show you the nice. It just works nicely with this. So we're going to go to x.columns and final model dot feature importances. Okay. So now I've got a dictionary, and to show them both, we're going to use this import operator, and then we're going to sort it. So we're going to sort basically the feature dictionary dot items, and the key is going to be operator dot item getter, and then we want to reverse it. And then finally, importantly, at the end of this, we can specify however many you want. So if you want like the top 3, the top 5, something like this. Let's try this. So basically what we're doing here is show dictionary of top features. And there you have it. So you can see the columns that are the most influential. Okay, and note that they're giving you the percentages of values. So this is just a really cool feature. It's almost like a bonus that you get from machine learning. And I can tell you that it's really powerful in helping to focus in on large data sets of where the largest influence is. It's also kind of revealing, I think. Like, it's interesting. I don't know. This is just interesting. And I'm going to do one more topic just to close out. That's a little bit of an advanced topic, but I did want to get at least one Kaggle trick in here so that you can, I don't know, you can get a better sense of how columns work together and what some people do to take advantage of what's called correlated and non-correlated columns.